You ever wonder what's really in these things? Come on, step inside and see for yourself.
This ain't cheese, baby. This is yellow 6, red 40, maltodextrin, MSG, basically a science experiment. They blow this powder all over everything. You're breathing it, eating it. It's basically in your bloodstream. Oh yeah! We fry every batch in the same oil. Adds flavor, right?
This stuff? This isn't seasoning. It's straight up radioactive fairy dust. But hey, you don't care, right? Long as it tastes good. Cheetos! Taste the chemicals.
You're already infected. Brain rot reels.